In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral Instagram posts using Canva. If you've been wondering how to make your posts stand out and gain traction, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through each step to design eye-catching content that's sure to capture your audience's attention. First, let's start by heading over to Canva's website. Canva is a versatile and user-friendly design tool that offers a wide array of templates perfect for Instagram. Once you're on the website, simply type Instagram post into the search bar at the top. This will present you with numerous design options specifically tailored for Instagram's format. Next, take a look at the array of templates available. You'll find a mix of free and premium options, but today we'll focus on the free ones. Browse through the selection and choose a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic or the message you want to convey. Don't worry if you don't find the perfect fit immediately, as we'll be customizing it soon. Once you've selected a template, click on Customize this template. This is where the fun truly begins as you start to add your personal touch. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it incredibly easy to tweak the template to suit your vision. You can change colors, switch up fonts, and insert your own images, creating a post that feels uniquely yours. Now it's time to focus on the text. This is your chance to communicate your message directly, so take some time to craft engaging and concise text that resonates with your audience. Simply click on the text within the template to edit it. Think about what you'd like to say and ensure it's clear and captivating. Remember, Instagram is a visual platform, so brevity and impact are key. As you make adjustments, you'll see your design take shape. Don't hesitate to experiment with different elements. You can always undo changes if something doesn't feel right. Take advantage of Canva's extensive library of graphics and photos if you need to add more visuals to complement your message. Finally, when you're satisfied with your design, it's time to review your post to ensure everything looks just right. Check that all elements are aligned properly and that the text is legible. If everything looks good, you're ready to download your design. Simply click on the download button at the top right corner and choose your preferred file type. For Instagram, a PNG file usually works best. And there you have it, a viral-worthy Instagram post created in just a few simple steps using Canva. With practice, you'll not only hone your design skills, but also enhance your online presence with visually appealing content. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you're inspired to create more stunning posts. Happy designing!